Today we got this device, it's Tecno Spark 10 Pro, and we are going to replace a new LCD for the customer. Alright, let's open this device from the back. To open this device we need to use what? The alcohol and the suction cup. Alright, let's do that. This pack is made from plastic, so you be careful if you're using the heating gun. This could melt the pack, the plastic. It happens to me with some devices. No, not some, few, or even not few. It's two devices for now. For about the 8 years, I did it twice. I didn't pay attention. The device got heat and the pack has already started to melt. So we had to replace it for the customer. Alright, we made the gap. Now we can put the alcohol and then we can swipe all over the device. This device seems has been opened before, but seems they put too much glue inside. So we have to be careful while we remove that. And this could take a long time. I hate people putting too much glue inside. They don't have to do that. I'm sorry, I'm going to leave you with the video. I can't just wait and look at this video while I explain what I'm doing. Still nothing I can say for now. Alright. Also be careful not to bend. It can be meant. Bent, bent, yeah, bent. Whatever. Be careful. Going now to use the heating gun to remove the area of the cameras with the. It took a long time. It's 5 minutes for now, and 5 minutes with some cuts. Some cuts because customers go inside my place, my my shop. All right. Right, the phone has been opened. Alright, let's remove all the screws now. Alright, this is very important. You have to remove the SIM card tray. This is very important. Do that. Now we can swipe all over the device and we can detach the frame from the housing. Now it's very easy to go and work through. Alright. Don't forget we have fingerprint flex cable connected at the top left area. Don't push too much, otherwise you will make something damage. Alright, this sticker. What is it this sticker is? Alright, be careful. The flex cable out. Alright, it's out now. Let's first unplug the battery and then we are going to remove the loudspeaker. Okay, continue. What's next? Come on. Alright, we are going to remove the battery now. So let's bring that tweezer and start rolling in and out until you finish. But unfortunately, doing that didn't remove the battery. Seems there was another adhesive under the battery. Why I can't reach it? Why? Also, the alcohol is not working with it properly. I bent the battery somehow. This is very important and don't recommend to bend the battery. It should be straight. Alright? This is very important. Take time. Don't bend, hole or puncture the battery. This is very dangerous dealing with battery. Alright, it's out. We have shield there for the screen itself. Alright, remove the shield and we can remove this flex cable. Alright, let's continue removing the screen. I put some sticker adhesive so I can push the screen out so I can remove it. Because it's broken, it's make some air and I couldn't do that. Alright, and it's just a gap. After that I can go easy. Everything's take time. Watching it is very boring. I speed this up a little for you. I'm here for about 2 hours just making 4 videos. Remember, I will be putting one by one. It's Samsung Note 10 Plus, Samsung A33 not charging, Samsung Galaxy A52 screen loose, and the Tecno Spark 10 Pro screen replacement. Alright, we're still removing the screen. Why I finished the 4 video. Alright, let's do that. In the old screen, we need to take the shield, the ear speaker shield or filter, whatever it called, because we are going to put it back. Clean it, make it clean, and then put it aside. Cleaning the phone border or frame is very necessary and very important. If you leave some dust or if you leave a small tiny piece of glass, it could break the new LCD you will put in there. And this is very important to do. Who's I'm talking to? Why my hands go? Let's remove that. Be careful not to touch the sensors or near the sensors. It's a very important area. You have to be careful, and after that, after we put the adhesive also, you have to be careful. Right, let's clean everything. Alright, this is the LCD. Remove the stickers, put it down, and let's start doing a test. See if the screen is fit down there. Put the flex down and put the battery power on the device, and let's test if the screen is working, the phone is working, and the phone is powering on. Alright, but also the touch is working. Alright, seems everything is great. Now we are going to do the full assemble. Alright, unplug the battery. Remove the battery, remove the screen, and then we will put the adhesive. I have also a red sticker, remove it from the top. Alright, let's put the adhesive. We are going to make a small line all over the frame. Be careful to the ear speaker, the sensors, and the camera. Don't put near them. You can just go through my advice. Alright, small amount of the adhesive. Here is the sensors and the lights also. In the second here line we don't have anything. Alright, you can continue to here. There is nothing there. Alright. Alright, let's put the screen, make sure it fit and push correctly in its place. Let's now assemble the device as it was, and that's it for today. We replaced the Tecno Spark 10 Pro screen LCD. All you have to do is to reverse the operation, and that's it. That was for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.